आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. So our question in front of us is, which of the following statements is are correct? Option number 1, fermentation is a form of aerobic respiration. Option number 2, aerobic respiration involves mitochondria. Option number 3, lactic acid is formed in human muscle cells during anaerobic respiration. Option number 4, pyruvate can be converted into ethanol in mitochondria. So here we would understand the term aerobic respiration. This aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen and oxygen present. And what about anaerobic respiration? In anaerobic respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen. To understand this question, we would first understand the breakdown of glucose. Glucose break down into pyruvate, okay? Then it breakdowns into pyruvate breakdown into ethanol plus CO2. This process occurs in cytoplasm and this process occurs also in cytoplasm. But this pyruvate to ethanol conversion occur in the absence of oxygen. So, and this process name as fermentation. So you can easily observe that fermentation is not a form of aerobic respiration, so this option is wrong. The second one is glucose changes into pyruvate. This pyruvate changes into CO2 plus H2O plus energy. This glucose to pyruvate conversion always occurs in cytoplasm. This pyruvate, when completely breakdowns, this process occurs in mitochondria in the presence of oxygen, and this process is aerobic, and this process is known as glycolysis. Option number 2 is the correct answer. It involves mitochondria. Yes, it involves mitochondria. Now the third option, third breakdown. Glucose change into pyruvate and it occurs in cytoplasm. Okay. Pyruvate changes into lactic acid. Okay. So pyruvate changes into lactic acid. This occurs due to absence of oxygen, and this process occurs in the muscles of human, due to which cramps, muscular cramps happen. So you can easily see that lactic acid is formed in human muscles during anaerobic respiration. Yes, it's true, because this process occurs in the absence of oxygen. So this process is anaerobic. We can see that option number 2 and option number 3 are correct. What about option number 4? Why it is wrong? Pyruvate can be converted into ethanol. Yes, it's true, but not in mitochondria, in cytoplasm, as it is written over here. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।